My name is Peter Lekov and I'm gonna show you how you can remove a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, I'm gonna grab my green screen video and apply it to the timeline. Then I'll go up to these two arrows, click on them and scroll down to effects. And from here, I'm gonna type in Ultra, which I already did. Then I'm gonna go down to Ultra Key Effect, grab it and apply it to the green screen video. Then I'm gonna head towards the Effect Control panel and scroll down to Ultra Key. And from there, go further down to Key Color. And as you can see, the color is black, but we would like to change it to green. And to do this, I'll simply click on this eyedrop icon and then go over to the source monitor program and click onto the green screen, and automatically this will remove the green background. But let's say you want to put a different background to this video, you have to just drag this video to video track number 2 and then go back to your project panel and apply the footage you would like to be as a background. In my case, it's this weather forecast image. I'm gonna put it below the green screen video and extend it a little bit so it can match the length of it. And also I'll change the size of it because it's far too big. And like that, it looks perfect. And also if you like to increase the size of the green screen video, you can select it and go up to scale and increase the size. And like that, people, you can remove any green background or screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you like it. And if you did so, hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.